Marble floor polishing New Malden by Fabritech Tile Cleaning Surrey. Are you tired of seeing your marble floors lose their shine and beauty over time? Do you want to restore the elegance and value of your home or office with stunning marble floors that impress everyone who sees them? If you neglect your marble floors, you are not only ruining their appearance, but also risking their durability and longevity. Marble floors are porous and sensitive to acidic substances, which can cause etching, discoloration, and corrosion. Moreover, marble floors can collect dust, dirt, and bacteria, which can affect your health and hygiene. But don't worry, there is a solution for your marble floor problems. Introducing Tile Cleaning Surrey's Marble Floor Polishing, the professional and affordable service that can transform your marble floors from dull to dazzling in no time. We uses the latest equipment and techniques to clean, polish, and seal your marble floors, making them look as good as new. You can enjoy the benefits of having beautiful and durable marble floors that enhance the value and appeal of your property. You can save time and money by avoiding costly repairs and replacements. You can also improve your health and hygiene by eliminating dust, dirt, and bacteria from your marble floors. And you can have peace of mind knowing that your marble floors are in good hands with our experienced and qualified technicians. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and get a free quote for your marble floor restoration and cleaning needs. Whether you have a small or large area, residential or commercial property, we can handle any job with efficiency and excellence. Don't let your marble floors lose their charm and quality. Call 07798 608 640 now or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk and let us bring back the shine and sparkle of your marble floors.